Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is a little house clean and just get rid of that line. Sure, that level pertains. It's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible going forward. First update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So in any sort of bounce into the near future, $40.50 is going to be that first key battleground to keep an eye on. In the very near term, seems to be a little bit of a resistance. Not seems to be. There is a little bit of resistance right here at, you know what, actually, now that I think about it and look at it, it's worth at least documenting. So let's get this level in place. So the very near term level of resistance is going to be right here at $39, and we'll call it 65 cents. Given, though, that I want to consider that as big of a resistance as the other one, I'll make that a little skinnier to represent. Sure, it's a level of resistance, but I think more the main level would be up there at 40.50. So again, 39.65 and then 40.50, two of those near-term levels of resistance. What about levels of support? Well, the current level of support is going to be right down here at the $38.60 mark. And what I'm going to do is actually adjust that a little down further because you have a little bit more price history right down around 38.35. So if you go back through the history of the chart, you can see 38.35 acting nicely there. By no means am I saying the price is drifting all the way down there, but just from more of a historic area, seems to those there's more data points right around 38.35, so we'll go there. And then taking a step back, and let me squeeze this down. The next overarching level of support would be that pink line right there, which on my chart denotes the very famous 200 period moving average. So keep an eye on those levels going forward. But yes, this one has finally pulled back a couple days in a row, both within the grand scheme of things. I mean, the chart is still epically bullish. It's just having a bigger pullback here. Almost a case of deja vu. There's a bigger pullback. You can see that turned out to be fine. Not that I'm saying that this is guaranteed to go skyrocketing back upwards. My point is that just because the price pulls back for a couple days does not mean that the entire chart's destroyed. So keep an eye on those levels, and let's see how this one closes out on Friday. Real quick, if you found this video helpful, then I'm very confident in saying you'd find great value, in this live web class that I'm offering, which is totally free. So if you're interested in learning more or getting signed up, you can go to claytrader.com/live or just see the link in the description area. Like I said, it is live, so there's a question and answer session. It's all very interactive. So go to that link, get signed up, and I'll see you there.